Hello everyone, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So today we have come up with two better job opportunities from Microsoft. Coming to the first one, it's a software engineer full-time opportunity. So if we just get into its details, this has been posted recently, that is October 8th, but please make sure to apply it as soon as possible before it gets closed. And a role type they have given it as individual contributor, and employment type, it's a full-time job from Microsoft. So it's not any contract based job. And as we all know that Microsoft is one of the leading IT companies, so getting placed in a Microsoft is a very big thing. But if you feel that your skills are matching the eligibility criteria mentioned here, please make sure to apply as soon as possible without any fail. And coming to responsibilities, they have given it as planning, design and implementation. So I'll just provide you the link. You can go through all this later on. So coming to qualifications, all BTech, MTech and MS degree in computer science graduates can apply, but with a minimum CGPA of 7.5 out of 10. So it's applicable to a 2022 batch. So freshers from 2022 can apply this job, and the other eligibility is ability to write clean, well-crafted code with an emphasis on quality, simplicity, durability. Consider customers' perspective and experiences when implementing solution. Demonstrate the ability to deliver tasks on time. So after seeing all this, the good thing here is you need not have skill in some particular technology. They have not mentioned any specific technology here. So you just need to be confident and present yourself with what all certifications or workshops or internships or projects that you have implemented during your academics. So that is what is enough to apply this job. You need not have any skill in some particular technology. And locations, they have given it as Hyderabad, Bangalore, Noida. So once you get hired, you might get posted in any of these three locations. So this is all a quick information about this role. So just go to the top of this page and click on apply now. So it will redirect you to these accounts. You can sign up with either of this Microsoft, LinkedIn, Facebook and Google accounts, and you can fill all your personal information and academic scores and all, and then you can apply this job. So this is how you have to apply this job. And as I said before, we have one more role from Microsoft for a 2022 batch. So as you can see the title, it's a data scientist full-time opportunity job. So we all know that a data scientist role is a highly paid job all over the world. So just get into the eligibility criteria and see if your skills are matching. And even this has been posted recently, so apply it as soon as possible before it gets closed. And role type they have given as individual contributor, and employment type, even this is also a full-time job from Microsoft. So responsibilities here just similar to a prior job. They have given some set of responsibilities. I'll just provide you the link and you can briefly go through all this. And coming to qualifications, you should match with this eligibility criteria: BTech, MTech, MS degree in computer science with minimum CGPA of 7.5 out of 10. So all 2022 batch can apply this job. And here they have mentioned some specific technologies. Kaggle score is a plus. Experience with R, MATLAB, Spicy, Pandas, Beacon, scripting languages such as Perl, Python. Experience with Hadoop, HBase, Pig or MapReduce, Bigtable, Azure ML is a plus. And knowledge of C++, C#, and .NET is a plus. So here experience in the sense that means that they are not going to ask any work experience in previous companies. Here what they meant is you should have done some certifications or workshops or internship programs or projects on these technologies. That means getting certified or projects in all these technologies, in any of these technologies, will be an added advantage to apply this job. So locations of operation, they have given us Hyderabad, Bangalore and Noida. So you might get posted in any of these 3 locations. So just before applying this job, make sure that you have some good amount of knowledge in all these technologies, or at least some minimum technologies you should have some knowledge. So this is all about this job. And coming to package, as we all know that Microsoft employees salaries ranges from minimum 10 lakhs. So, and even this data scientist role, it's a highly paid job. So you can expect a minimum 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs package, even more than that. So just make sure to apply it as soon as possible without any delay if your skill set is matching with this eligibility. Okay, that is all about these 2 roles from Microsoft today. So if you find this video informative, please like and subscribe our channel and stay tuned to further updates. Thank you.